Let's repair this hole in this gorgeous knitted blanket. Now, this is a very special blanket. My neighbor dropped it off. Her grandma had recently passed and had made this blanket and passed it on for a few generations. So the yarn is quite delicate. There isn't enough yarn for me to actually repair this hole or even continue the pattern if I could. And you can tell that the yarn would rip very easily again. So I really wanted to be very delicate with fixing this. So I wanted to use thread, and I was trying to find a color that was close enough so that we wouldn't be able to see the thread. That one was way too bright. But this was so amazing that I actually found an identical color. I'm serious. I was so impressed and so excited that this color randomly from my grandma's sewing stash, I was able to use this to repair this hole in this blanket. So I was really excited to get started. Now, I wanted to use a tapestry needle, so not something super fine, only because I wanted to go through multiple layers and I felt like I'd have more control. Now, feel free to do what you wish, but this is what I decided to do. And what I did was I went through the layers very delicately, and I did leave those yarn strings hanging. I didn't want to cut them off yet or clean this up until I got through a few layers. And then towards the end, I kind of trimmed them off a little bit, but I wanted to be quite delicate with this. So you want to try to go through as many layers as you can. And of course, I can't repeat this beautiful scalloped pattern because I don't have enough yarn, but I also just thought this would be the best solution for this type of blanket. The yarn was feeling very delicate to me, like it was going to rip. So I was trying to do this very delicately. And I know I sped this up, but I was going quite slow and making sure that I didn't tear any of this yarn that was good and sturdy. So that's it really. And it actually came out amazing, and you cannot see the thread. It is completely invisible and just mixed right into it. I was so impressed. This is the before and this is the after, and she was quite emotional and felt amazing about that. All my patterns are free, othcrochetnook.ca. Subscribe if you like this video. Let me know what you think, and let me know in the comments if you would have done anything differently or if this worked out.